Good morning! Today is Zoo Day. I can't wait! Anna will be excited too. Anna, wake up! Today is Zoo Day! Zoo Day! Yes, we are going today. Yay!
Morning, Mom.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, my little explorers. Are you excited for the zoo today?
Yes!
I want to see the elephants.
And I want to see the lions.
So, what animal do you want to see first?
The lions.
I want to see the elephants.
They are huge.
Finish your breakfast. We need to get ready.
Okay.
Good news! We have the tickets!
Yay! Zoo time!
I can't wait. Do we have everything?
Tickets, snacks, and water. Let's go!
Hurry!
The car is ready. We are really going.
Everyone ready?
Yes! Let's go to the zoo. I got my favorite seat.
I can see everything from here.
Everyone buckle up.
Next stop, the zoo!
Yay! We are really going to the zoo.
This is fun already.
We will arrive soon. Look, a zoo sign.
I can see it too.
Wow! We are here.
The zoo is so big.
Ready to go inside. Yeah! There are so many animals. I want to see the elephants first.
The elephant area is this way.
Then let's see the lions after that. Wow! The elephant is huge!
It is much bigger than I imagined.
Elephants use their trunks for many things. That giraffe is so tall. It can reach the top of the tree.
Giraffes are the tallest land animals.
Hello, giraffe.
It is so friendly.
Look at that monkey. I could watch them all day.
It is so funny.
They make me laugh.
Monkeys are very good climbers.
Wow! So many colorful birds! That bluebird is beautiful. It is looking at us.
Hello?
It can talk.
Can you really talk?
Hello, Tom.
It knows my name?
That's amazing.
Who's ready for lunch?
Me!
Can you say anything else?
Birds have feathers.
That's true. Feathers help birds fly.
Wow!
I love flying.
The lions are here. He looks so strong.
Wow.
Did you hear that?
That is a real lion roar.
This is my favorite animal. I'm getting hungry. This has been the best day.
We still have more animals to see.
Really? Let's keep exploring. Look at the penguins!
That was funny.
Penguins are excellent swimmers.
It walks so funny.
I love penguins. That seal is so fast.
It looks like it is smiling. Seals are very playful animals.
Hello, seal.
I think it waved at us.
Wow. Look at that turtle. It is so big and slow.
Some tortoises can live for many years.
Really?
Agreements.
Look at its bright color. It looks like a tiny dragon.
Some reptiles use colors to help protect themselves.
That's cool. This place is beautiful.
A butterfly landed on me.
It must feel safe near you.
It likes you.
I think it does.
Look! The goat is coming over. It looks very friendly.
Move slowly and be gentle.
I made a new friend. This is so much fun. We get to ride the zoo train.
This'll be fun. Let's enjoy the ride.
Look at everything.
I can see so much from here.
Wow! Its wings are huge!
The colors are beautiful.
Macaws use their strong beaks to crack nuts. That's amazing! It waved at...
Wow! Its wings are huge.
The colors are beautiful. Macaws use their strong beaks to crack nuts. That's amazing.
It's gonna fly.
Look how high it can fly.
It flies so gracefully.
That was incredible. What an amazing bird.
It is waving at us. That is so clever.
Sea lions are excellent swimmers and very intelligent animals. That takes a lot of practice.
This lion is so cool.
It reminds me of the butterfly garden.
You both found something special.
These will help you remember.
My favorite animal was the lion.
My favorite was the butterfly garden. You both learned many new things today.
And we made wonderful memories. Best zoo trip ever. I had so much fun today. Me too. The zoo was amazing.
We made wonderful family memories today. Let's head home. I wish we could stay longer.
I still can't believe how big the lion was. And the butterfly garden was beautiful.
You both learned a lot today.
Today was
I am glad we spent the day together.
Now let's relax at home.
best day ever. My favorite part was seeing the lion. My favorite part was the butterfly garden.
I loved seeing how excited you both. I had the best day.
The zoo was so much fun.
I am glad we shared this adventure together.
Time for some rest after our big adventure. Good night. Tom had a wonderful day at the zoo. He saw amazing animals and learned many new things. Most importantly,